a wishful thinking or a dream of the BJP party, which is never going to be realized. The BJP, which is below Nota, is trying to become relevant, but the issues they are taking makes sure that they're not going to be relevant to the people of Tamil Nadu at all. In the state of Tamil Nadu, the BJP has to toe the Dravidian line. If it is going to toe any other line, they are going to become irrelevant. Whatever they may say, that is the point. Apart from that, the BJP is a misogyny, is a party of misogyny. We have seen how one doctor who was urinating on front of the neighbor, there was a single lady living, and that doctor has been made as a secretary, as a board member for AIMS. This is the kind of treatment the BJP gives for people who mistreat women. So let BJP not preach. I have asked a very, very pointed question. What is the stand of the BJP in giving reservation to the OBCs? Mr. Narayanan Tirupati has not got the courage to speak about it. The BJP filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court stating that they will not give OBC reservation this year. Already 10,000 seats, last 5 years.
Let him answer.
10,000
Pointed
medical
question,
seats
let
have
him
gone.
answer on that. Do you want to clarify on that, Mr. Tirupati? Yeah, okay. On reservation for backward caste, yeah.
Yeah. From 2008, this law is there in central universities, central colleges. But why did DMK, which was a part of Congress government, did not bring this reservation all the 6 years up to 2014? Why suddenly now? It was the BJP government in 2016 January, in the Saloni Kumari case, in the Supreme Court, we have filed an affidavit stating that we are ready to give OBC reservation, provided the court should order. And that is the case still pending.
Okay.
It is pending in the court. How do you expect? Now the government has said that it is not possible this year because already the counselling is over. These people are trying to create a drama. They are trying to stage a drama. They are shedding crocodile tears. It is not so. We have given. We only formed the Mandal Commission.
Okay.
They should know. These people are against the reservation.
Mr. Tirupati, answer the other point raised by Mr. Saravanan. It's not really a point, it's a taunt rather, where he says that the BJP is desperately looking for some issue to call it anti-Hindu, but ultimately they will have to find some kind of Dravidian line to toe in the upcoming elections.
No.
Respond to that.
This is nasty. This is nasty and dirty. They can call all women are prostitutes, and Saravanan and Mr. Stalin, they support Tirumavalavan. They are acknowledging that all women Hindus are prostitutes. And he is telling that we are taking an opportunity. What is this nonsense? See, from 1794, Sir William Jones' book, and after that, Wendy Deniger's book, Tirumavalavan has quoted Wendy Deniger's book. We all know, even you know, in 2009, what had happened. And this, we know about Wendy Deniger, who used to degrade and demean our gods, Hindu religion. And that is what Tirumavalavan is quoting. There is a conspiracy to create a law and order problem. They want that. They want to have this, election in a communal disorder. They thought that Hindus will, retaliate and they will talk about Quran and Bible, which it did not happen because we are attacking Tirumavalavan and Stalin. We want to maintain communal harmony.
Okay.
These people are trying to create hatred among communities, hatred among religions.
Let me say something.
That is the problem.
Saravanan, the DMK can point fingers at the BJP and say that the BJP, with the upcoming polls, wants to create a specter of anti-Hindu politics, etc. But Mr. Saravanan, that may be your point of view, but the fact remains that your allies chief, Mr. Tirumavalavan, has, the words that he has spoken. You can say what you want. You can say selectively quoted.
He interpreted in his own style.
But I am just a journalist, and I am looking at the words he has said. Let me quote them once again. As per Hindu Dharma, all women are created by God as prostitutes. They are prostitutes as per Hindu Dharma. Then he has an afterthought and says, Manu Dharma. The status of all women is less than that of a man. Why did, he says Hindu Dharma there. Surely in Hindu Dharma, there is no such thing as all women are created as prostitutes. It's the Manusmriti.
Ask him whether Stalin accepts all Hindu women are
why
prostitutes.
did he say Hindu Dharma in that comment?
Yeah. See,
ask Saravanan whether Stalin accepts everybody.
He'll answer that. He'll answer that. Let him answer.
Please don't get excited. Please don't get excited. Who has used the terms now frequently? Who has done that now? It is Mr. Narayanan Tirupati who is using that term. Nobody else. You are not using the term. I am not using the term.
You will condemn
who is using the term now? So who is trying to trying to, find some leeway. That's what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. The BJP, without doing any good for the people of Tamil Nadu, they think they are going to getting the
Shiv, he has not answered
manufactured
my question.
outrage. It is not going to work.
But
Shiv, he has not
If the
answered my
BJP
question.
thinks like North India, sir, who are you, sir? Who are you to question me? Will you allow me
Then
to speak?
who are you to question me? You asked me,
Who are
I
you
never
to- I am
answered
not
it to
questioning you.
Then who
I
are you
was
to
speaking in my
question
turn.
me?
I am speaking at
when
my
you come
turn.
here, you have
Why
to
are you getting
answer.
outraged?
I answered you. Then
Keep
who
all
are
this-
you to?
keep
Who
all
is
this
Tirumavalam
fake
or Stalin?
outrageous
one at a
All
time, one at a time, one
together.
second. No, I know this
Who
is a
Stalin
remotive
to
issue.
ask? Who is Stalin and Tirumavalam
Yeah.
to say all women are prostitutes?
Let's
Who is Tirumavalam? Why you are supporting him? What right you have got?
is it a compulsion to support him?
You are abusing Hindu women as prostitutes?
Okay,
Shiv,
clarify on that
Who
or
are you?
rebut that. Sir, Mr. Saravanan.
yes.
Okay, one at a
yes.
time. Let's do one at a time.
Will you allow me to speak?
Yes, yes, yes.
Will you
Go
allow
ahead.
me to speak? Will you ask that gentleman to shut his mouth for some time?
He will.
You ask
Yeah.
Tirumavalam to shut his mouth.
He will-
Ask
okay.
Stalin to shut his mouth.
No, please, no such language.
Then what?
We
How
are,
can he talk like that?
you're all respected gentlemen
Ask
on the show
Stalin
here.
to shut his mouth.
We treat
Ask
you all as
Tirumavalam
equal.
to shut his mouth.
No, please,
Not
please.
me.
Okay, everyone, please
We are
calm
talking
down.
for the women.
Mr.
Yeah,
Tirupati,
women
calm
are
down. Mr.
Hindu
Tirupati.
women.
Okay.
You people talk Hindu women are
Yeah.
prostitutes,
Shiv, can
and
I
you
speak
come
now?
directly to the national channel and talk so many things.
Let's just cool down our tempers a little
Yeah.
bit. Ask your question, Mr. Saravanan,
Yes.
and then Mr. Tirupati, you can also ask
Yes.
your question back.
Yes. Yes. I will be allowed to speak at my turn. Okay? Yeah. See, again and again, I'm raising this important issue. What has the BJP done when it says the BJP is now claiming that it is against Manusmriti? But what has it done to do away with the caste system?
But-
what has it done?
but
to
sir,
empower
what does the
people
Manusmriti
belonging
have to
the
do with
backward
modern
communities
life?
and the
Ultimately,
scheduled
what is-
communities?
But what does Manusmriti have to do with modern life? Mr. Tirumavalavan has
Yes.
made it seem like
Yeah.
Manusmriti is dictating Hindu dharma, which is ridiculous, which is a ridiculous proposition.
No, Shiv, that is your view. Shiv, that is your view. Probably
Sir,
Tirumala will
I am an
different.
atheist. I have nothing to do with religion.
I'll cite.
And
That's what-
Hinduism,
that's what I'll
as we
cite
know
one
it today,
example
does
to
not
you.
dictate
Shiv,
that all women are
Shiv,
prostitutes.
Shiv, I'll cite one example to you. See, we had this reservation for the economically weak section belonging to the upper caste people of India. It
Sir,
was-
if you're
the
asking
bill was
me, if you're
passed
asking
on
specifically
January
about the
9th.
Manusmriti,
No,
just a
I
minute,
don't know
Shiv,
what
allow
is
me
the
to
argument
speak.
on
Shiv,
caste and
allow me to
Manusmriti.
speak, Shiv.
Manusmriti is a
Allow
completely
me to speak.
outdated,
Manusmriti is all about
despicable
caste.
text when it comes to
Manusmriti is all about
the issue of caste.
Shiv,
It is a
allow me to
despicable
speak,
text.
Shiv. Allow me to speak. Allow me to speak. See, let me make my point. See, Manusmriti is all about caste. See, when the economically weak section bill was passed to give reservation to the upper caste people, on January 9th, the bill was passed. On January 12th, the president gives assent to the bill, which is against the Supreme Court judgment.
But-
the Supreme Court judgment says 50% reservation, the cap cannot
Shiv
be
is deviating.
breached.
I-
But extra 10%
No,
is here.
I don't hold-
No, let me finish. Let me finish this.
He's
Let me
deviating.
finish this. So what happens to the bill sent by the Tamil Nadu Assembly to the governor, which says the Supreme Court says in reservation is valid.
But
the bill is put in cold storage by the governor appointed by the BJP.
Mr. Saravanan,
Why? Because it benefits the
surely it
OBCs.
can't be your problem.
That is the problem here.
Surely it can't be your submission that the caste system has been perpetuated thanks to the machinations of the BJP over the centuries. It can't be only the BJP that is responsible for the caste system.
You think the caste system
I'm
is
sure
being
all
abolished, it is
political
not being
parties,
perpetuated?
let me go ahead and say that every political party has been responsible in some measure or the other as far as the caste system is concerned. But you're pointing fingers only at the BJP in this context of the Manusmriti. The BJP
Yes.
has said
Yes.
that they've got nothing to do with the Manusmriti. They don't support it. They don't support
They are following it.
the things in
They are
it.
perpetuating it.
BJP
I pointed out an example to you.
Final
I
comment.
quoted an example
Okay.
to you. Let them do something. Let them quote an example.
Final
where they
response
have
from
done
you,
something
Mr.
solid for the backward
Tirupati. Final
communities.
response.
See, Shiv, in Athupakam, Tiruvallur district, and also in Chidambaram district, the Dalit women panchayat presidents have been degraded, have been demeaned by the same DMK people in Tamil Nadu, which they are keeping quiet.
That's a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie.
That is true.